B. Which transactions are independent of the state of balance of payment? So, autonomous transactions are the transactions which are independent of the state of balance of payment. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. Which transactions are dependent on the state of balance of payment? Now, when we talk about the three type of transaction, it is the accommodating transactions which are dependent on the state of balance of payment. And therefore, the correct answer is B. Which of the following transaction take place on both current account and capital account? Autonomous, accommodating, compensatory, none of the above. Now, the correct answer to this is autonomous transactions. If you remember, autonomous transactions are the ones which take place with some economic motive. The economic motive can be making of profit, right? So on current account, there could be transactions like import of goods, whereas on capital account, these could be loans, long-term loans, which might be there. So long-term loans are capital transactions. Autonomous transaction is therefore the transaction which includes both current and capital account transactions. I hope you have been enjoying the multiple choice questions and the economics session that we are doing. If you like these videos and want us to make more of them, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are studying this on YouTube and you want more MCQs, you can go back and look at this link at the bottom, arinjaacademy.com/economics, for more multiple choice questions. See you again. Which of the following transactions take place only on capital account? Now, in the previous question, I told you that autonomous transaction can be both on current account as well as capital account. So A cannot be the right answer. The right answer actually is B, accommodating transactions. Accommodating transactions are done to cover the gap in the balance of payment account. Now, this gap can be either a surplus or it can be a deficit. But in both the cases, it will always be a capital account transaction. Therefore, the correct answer is B, accommodating transactions. Which transactions are the transactions by the central bank to maintain disequilibrium in the balance of payment account? Now, when we talk about disequilibrium in the balance of payment account, that means that this account is not in equilibrium. Which means, let's say if there's a deficit in the balance of payment account, to do that, what the central bank of the country may do is that they may either reduce the reserves of a country, the foreign reserves of a country, or they may borrow. I mean, these are the two ways in which you can get money. When you do this, then the balance of payment account is taken towards equilibrium. When does a deficit arise? When the inflows are less than the outflows. So how do you increase the inflow? By reducing the reserve, which means selling the reserves and getting foreign exchange, or by borrowing from foreign financial institutions, which could be something like an IMF. Therefore, the correct answer, the transactions which are done by the central bank to maintain disequilibrium in the balance of payment account is C, which is official reserves. Which transactions are recorded in the balance of account with a profit maximization motive? Now, when you talk about the transactions which are recorded with a profit maximization objective, they are the autonomous transaction. This is what we discussed in one of the previous questions as well. Autonomous transactions are also known as above the line transaction, which means even B is also the right answer. Compensatory is not the right answer. D says both A and B. Because autonomous transactions are also called the all above the line items or above the line transaction, the correct answer in this case is D, which is both A and B. Dash is an accounting statement which records all economic transactions between non-resident and domestic territory. Now, this accounting statement, we all know which is that statement. It's the balance of payment. Balance of trade and final accounts is not the right answer. Balance of payment is the accounting statement which actually records all economic transactions between the non-residents and the domestic territory. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Visible item includes which of the following? Now, when you talk about visible items, they are items which can be seen, touched, and felt. If I talk about option A, it says goods and services. While you can see goods, you cannot see services. Therefore, A cannot be the right answer. Only goods, only service. Only service also cannot be the right answer because service is an invisible item. Only goods, therefore, is the right answer, which is option B. So option B, only goods, is the correct answer. One-way transactions are a part of dash account. Now, one-way transaction, we discussed earlier also that in the balance of payment you have visible, you have invisible, and you have one-way transactions. One-way transactions are like gift or payment by a father to a son who is studying abroad. Therefore, the correct answer in this case is A. Balance of payment is a dash concept as it is measured over a period of time. The concept which is measured over a period of time is known as flow concept, and the concept which is measured at a particular point in time is known as a stock concept. Therefore, the correct answer is answer C, which is balance of payment is a flow concept. I hope you have been enjoying the multiple choice questions and the economics session that we are doing. If you like these videos and want us to make more of them, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are studying this on YouTube and you want more MCQs, you can go back and look at this link at the bottom, arinjaacademy.com/economics, for more multiple choice questions. See you again.